What is a common practice for providing shade in outdoor animal housing? All of the above. What is the primary concern when designing housing for dairy cattle? All of the above. What is a significant benefit of group housing for livestock? Social interactions. What is the ideal temperature for broilers? 24 to 30 degrees C. What is a common concern when housing animals outdoors? Predators. What is the best practice for bedding in poultry housing? Dry and clean. What is the main concern for keeping pigs indoors? Space. What is a common feature of rabbit housing? Hiding places. What is the recommended space for laying hens in free range systems? 20 m square. What is a common characteristic of housing for small animals? Individual pens. What is an important aspect of animal housing design? Animal comfort. What is a common feature of goat barns? Open ventilation. What is a critical aspect of animal welfare in housing systems? Freedom to roam. What is the ideal space requirement for dairy cows in housing? 6 to 8 m square. What is a common flooring type for poultry housing? Concrete. What is an essential characteristic of housing for breeding animals? Social interaction. What is the major concern when keeping animals in confinement? Animal welfare. What is a common feature of animal housing in colder climates? Insulation. What is the best strategy for preventing disease in livestock housing? Regular cleaning. What is an important consideration for building chicken coops? Predator protection.